Hello and welcome to today's video. Once again we start from Leppävaara station and today's video will be about creating Espoo bus line 215 which runs between Leppävaaran asema and Lähderanta in northern Espoo. It's not a very long line. In real life it only takes around 16 minutes to run it, but of course most of it runs through uncharted and unbuilt territory and roads, so that's why this creating it will take some time. However, as we start from familiar places, well, we will start from familiar places, so we'll start with line. And this is where we're going to start, and we're going to start at Leppävaara and stop at Leppävaara. So there we go. And then we will stop at Gransimäki and at Kilonkartano. I think we will also stop at... Yes, it skips Leppäsilta this way around because the Leppäsilta stop is to the west of this crossing when going this way, but it also stops at Pääskynkuja and it stops at Leppälinnun Rinne. But then things will turn out differently. The following stop is at a stop called Rastaspuisto, and that is located, let's see, I will find it on the Swedish-speaking map. Stop called Rastaspuisto, once this browser will cooperate with me. Let's see here. Rastaspuisto Trastparken, which is to the north of that crossing. It's a one-way stop, but I'm generous, so I will just create it as a two-way stop here. So, oops, Rastaspuisto Trastparken. There we go. And after Rastaspuisto, we will have a stop at, let's see, we will have a stop at Rastasmäki, which is just to the north of it. Let's see, Rastasmäki, Trastbacken is slightly to the north, and it's somewhere around here, I think. Yes. There we go. After Rastasmäki, we will stop. Let's see. Yes. After Rastasmäki, we will then stop at Luuvantie, and that's going to be located Lugvägen Luuvantie, which is located right here. There we go. And then after Luuvantie, our following stop will be at Snellbacka. And Snellbacka is located right by the next park over there. go. After Snällbacka, we will stop at Jupperi metsä. Jupperskogen. That stop is probably located in... Wait. This was a bit difficult. No. It's located in here. There we go. And adding the signals in here, which is actually pretty useless because only one bus line is running this road, I think. And after Jupperi-metsä, we will then stop at Jupperin ympyrä. No, wait. Yes, that's right. Well, there is a stop which this line doesn't use. Interesting, we'll get to that later on. But Jupperin... What? I'm in the wrong place now. Yeah, that's correct. I am on the wrong road. So the following stop is Jupperin ympyrä, Jupperondellen, and it's located in here. I'm gonna regret this, but I'm gonna skip the roundabout. And then it will meet line 214 for a while. Yeah, this map is a bit difficult to read in this area because I'm not familiar with the area, and I've already twice been confused by the roads during this short video, so could go better actually, but well. So there we go. Let's build these blueprints and then go to the lines, because I will then run the line through these new stops here. But the end is not yet there. We will just stop here at Kaivosmiehentie, and then we'll continue our own ways again, stopping at Huvilamäki next. Let me see. And okay, so Huvilamäki, Villabacken. Which is located in here. Come on. Come on. There we go. And there we go. Then after Huvilamäki, we will stop at Pitkäjärven ranta, Långträskstranden, there we go. After Pitkäjärven ranta, we will stop at Laaksolahden ranta, Dalvikstranden, there we go. And after Laaksolahden ranta, we will stop at let's see. Kuttulammentie, Kututräskvägen, and after Kuttulammentie we will have a stop at Lähdepuron puisto, Kjellbäcksparken, this is a one-way stop, but there is a stop on the which well, as usual, the following stop is located on both sides of the crossing, so this line will not stop there. This way, going this way, so I will just create the stop then to the other side of the crossing. So skipping one stop again. I'm not sure if you understood anything about that explanation of mine, why I'm doing it, but you will realize it later on, perhaps if you keep on watching these videos. The final stop is called Lähdeaukio, Kjellplatsen, and it's located in here. And it's actually a one-way stop. Don't care. I will do the loop as a double track for one reason or another. One bad angle. Okay, let's go fix it soon enough. And there, and there. I am pretty close to having finished it. Let's just fix that angle in there. There we go. And then the loop, of course. There, that's it. I'm not sure why I wanted to create it in double track, perhaps because I'm too lazy. But that's okay. It's okay to be lazy sometimes. So, roads have been created. Then let's finish the line. Stopping there, and stopping there, and stopping there, and there, and there, and finally there. And then let's go back to Leppävaara. Simple enough. That's it, guys. All built. Line open for passenger service, and then let's see how often. Wait. Yes, that's right. Let's see how often the line runs. It runs every 20 minutes. So we're gonna need a couple of buses here. There we go. And running line 215. Where is 215? There it is. Then let's see. 50 minutes. I'm gonna need 3 buses in order to operate it. Right. That is right. Okay, that's it. So, roads built, lines created, buses bought, everything's up and running. And as usual, there will be a new video tomorrow. So until then, bye!